In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a ChatGPT conversation to another account on your PC. This can be particularly useful if you've been working across multiple accounts and want to consolidate your conversation history. So let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google. It's a simple first step, but necessary to ensure we're accessing the right version of the ChatGPT website. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit enter. You'll usually see the official ChatGPT website appear at the top of your search results. Click on that link, and it will take you directly to the ChatGPT homepage. Once there, look towards the lower left of your screen for your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Now, click on Data Controls. These settings are where you can manage and export your data. Here, you'll see an Export option. Click on it, and a prompt will ask you to confirm your decision to export the data. Go ahead and click Confirm Export. At this point, ChatGPT will begin preparing your data export, and you'll be notified by email once it's ready. So the next step is to check your email. Look for a new message from ChatGPT, which will contain a link to your data export. Click on that link, and you'll be taken to a page where you can download your data export. It's important to save this file securely on your computer. Now that you've downloaded your data, return to ChatGPT. This time, log in to the account where you want to move your conversation history. Once logged in, you'll need to upload your previously downloaded data. Start by looking for the plus sign within ChatGPT. This usually means you're adding something new to your account. Click it. You'll see an option to add photos and files. Click that, then locate your downloaded data, specifically looking for a file named Conversations.json. Select this file for upload. Once it's uploaded, you'll likely see a button to submit your data. Click on Welcome Submit, and ChatGPT should begin processing the data transfer to your other account. The process can take a few moments, particularly if you have a large amount of data, so be patient. As with any data transfer or account modification, ensure that you have secure access and that you're performing this task on a trusted device. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your ChatGPT conversations to another account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or check out our other detailed tutorials. Have a great day.